Hey guys, it's Tressa, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a very special box opening for you guys. If you follow me on Instagram, then you already know I ordered a baby from YouTube's very own Kelli Maple. I could not be more excited for this box opening because since I first started getting into reborns, which literally wasn't that long ago, it was like last month, her channel was the first one that I stumbled upon, so she really got me into them. So this box opening is very special to me because, you know, I've been watching her channel now for a while and I feel like I know her, so it's just really exciting for me. So I blacked out our addresses and I just cut it open. I haven't looked inside yet, so let's get into it. Max is on my lap just chilling, but so when you first open it up, there's a little card that says Merry Christmas. So I'm gonna open this up and read it. I might jump through this part so you don't have to awkwardly watch me read it in my head. So inside, there's like a little card with the details about him. It's like a birth certificate. It says like the day he was done being painted and the kit and everything. Oh, it's really cute, and it says how much he weighed, and it has pictures of other babies, I think, that she has created. It's really cute. I'm guessing this comes with every baby. I love this idea. It's really cute. I'm definitely going to save that. And then a little thank you card. Thanks, Kelli. This card is so cute. I'm definitely going to be saving that too. So let's get into the box opening. Max is just chilling, but when I first look at it, it looks so cute. I'm so excited. I've never seen this kit before in real life. It's the Mason kit by Pat Moulton. I don't know how to pronounce his name, but I've never seen the kit. But I've been looking at the kit for a while, and I've been wanting to get one because I love his cute little preemie self and his smiling face. It looks so cute, and I've been keeping my eye out for one, and then I saw Kelli had one posted, and I was like, yes, please. Wanted a Kelli baby because they're so cute. So first, there's this little outfit. We got these cute little pants. Sorry, my lighting is so bad. They got little sheep on them. Very cute. And tiny. I love preemie babies. They make me smile. And then this little onesie with some more sheep on it. It's very cute. He's gonna look so cute with this on him. Oh my goodness. And then the shirt that goes over top says one of a kind, and he really is, so that's really cute. I love that outfit. Then this one. Hi, Max. Max is gonna be so good around Christmas time because he watches me open stuff up every time I have a box opening. Oh my goodness! Look at this little, oh my goodness! Oh, it's got turtles and alligators on it. It's a cute little sleeper. It's so cute. Look at that. He's gonna look so adorable in this. I cannot wait to put this on him. It's so soft and I love it. I love it. I love the material and everything. And then we got this one. You have really good wrapping skills, by the way. I cannot wrap like this for anything. Well, you should see the presents I've wrapped for Christmas. They are not this good. Let me tell you that. Oh my gosh. This matches the other one with like the turtles and the crocodiles. I love this. I love this. Okay. And it's like the same like 3-piece outfit. Here are the little pants. They have a different little animal on each leg. The crocodile's on that leg. And then the little turtle with the bird on his back. So cute. I love that so much. And then we got this little onesie with like the same little animals on it. It is so adorable. Let me get that a little closer because my lighting is just so bad, but it's so adorable. I love this print. Oh my goodness. And then the other little onesie it says, "See you later, alligator." So, my bad, alligator, not a crocodile, but you know, that's okay. It is so cute. I love this so much. And then, last but not least, we have the baby. So I'll take him out of the box. Oh my goodness, he feels so nice, little and cute. Max just wants to lay on my legs and play. Come here, Max, look out. Here he is. But maybe I will sit on my, I'll sit on my chair. I don't want Max to be blocking the view. Okay, so I'm back, I'm on the chair, and he's wrapped up so nicely in this little blanket. It's blue with some stripes on it, and I love the ribbon so much. It's got some snowflakes on it. It is so cute and Christmassy. I love it. My little Christmas baby. So adorable. And I try to save the, like anytime I have ribbon like wrapped around my baby, I save at least one strand and I put it on the bassinet that I have for my babies. So that's cute, and I will definitely be doing that. Okay, so here we go. His head's definitely up there, so I'm gonna try to start with like his little feeties. Well, they're probably covered, but they're not. They're not. They're not. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I wish I was an artist because, you know, I would not be able to do this. He looks so cute. His little toes. Then let's go up here. Oh, he's holding a little alligator. That is so adorable. It's so tiny and so soft. And it must have like came with the outfit or something because it matches the outfits perfectly. I love that so much. It's gonna look so cute. But it's so cute. Okay, I'll put that on top of the clothes. And then we got his little hands. Oh my gosh. They look so good. They are so cute. Oh my gosh, his little fingers. After this, I'll do like a little up close shot of his fingers and hands and toes and his face and everything. But oh, the detailing is so nice. You do such good work, Kelly. Holy cow. They're so cute. Then we get to the face. Oh, the classic diaper moment. He is so tiny. I love preemie babies so much. He feels so perfect. Oh my goodness, look at that. He is the most precious little guy. So let's check out his face. I don't know if I'm ready. Oh my goodness. He looks so adorable. The little detailing on his face and his rooted eyebrows. Oh, Kelly, I love the way you paint your hair. Oh my goodness. It looks so beautiful. Oh, and the little swirl. Oh my goodness. Whoa, I feel like, whoa, he's just, I guess I have a different preemie, but I didn't realize how tiny he would actually be. Little Mason. Oh my goodness. He is so cute and so tiny. I love his little hands. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Little guy, little Mason. Oh, yes, he is so adorable. He is so adorable. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, Kelly. He is just so precious. Here's a little up close shot of him with Max in the background. He looks so cute. I love the way his hair looks and his texture and his little fingers. So cute and so good, Kelly. You do such a good job. Oh my goodness. That smiling face just gets me. I cannot stop smiling at him back. You look so cute. Oh my goodness. I love this hand too, how his little pinky is just out there. And his little toes. Oh, so cute. So adorable. Oh my goodness. Hi there. Oh my gosh. thanks so much for watching this video. If you made it so far, don't forget to click like and subscribe if you like this. And I just want to say thank you again, Kelli, so much. She's just so cute. Look at that smiling face. I can't get over it. None of my other babies have this cute of a little smile, and he is just so precious. I definitely will be ordering from you again because I love your paint job on your babies. He is just so cute. I love him so much, and he will get a bunch of love here. So thank you so much again, guys. Go look in my description, and I will put her Instagram for her nursery because she makes the cutest little babies, as you can see. But yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!